How has your driving experience been today, Mark?
Stressful a little bit, but overall, pretty good so far.
Would you recommend this drive to fellow off-roaders?
Oh yeah, sure.
What about newbies?
Oh yeah, it's pretty easy, slow riding.
It's cool down here, the woods, the water.
Don't forget to bring your mosquito spray though.
Yeah, we've stopped a few times and the mosquitoes got us.
We forgot to pack our mosquito spray.
I got some at the camper, don't worry, it will be in here tomorrow. It's worked out so far.
Pretty good.
Knock on wood, but yeah. Hence the word outlaw trails. They're not maintained. Woo!
Ready to get out of here.
This turned into a adventure for sure. Hanging with the Hyatts, you never know where you're going to end up. We don't even know. It's a surprise to everybody. I will say we've almost turned around and went back the other way 2 or 3 times. I'm glad we didn't. Yeah, it's been a little sketchy, but also beautiful and fun, challenging, all that stuff. Sometimes you just gotta say, what the heck, and go for it. And we have been stuck before, had to be pulled out, so don't always work out. But
See this here?
this is deep. straight down. My butt cheeks are squeezed together. There's the little creek. Remnants in the trail. MINEMADE, obviously the name. It's an old mine, and they've turned it into off-road trails, campground. Looks like they're building a little restaurant or something there, which would be good because there's nothing really around. I think you're about 10 minutes from Hyndman, and I'm not sure what all's over there. We might go check it out tomorrow. It's supposed to rain. Feeling like we should see a bear any minute. I don't know why. It's cooler. It's only like 65 right now. It's cloudy, which is kind of fine for off-roading.
Yeah, it's perfect weather. It got a lot quieter too because a lot of people left.
Yeah, usually the weekends at campgrounds are booked up, and come Monday when it's time to go back to work, hardly anybody's there, which is perfect also. We did our duty. When people left, we went and took their firewood they left. Thanks a lot, people. We appreciate it. Please hit that like and share and subscribe, and share us with your friends. We'd appreciate it so much. Thank you, and see you on the trails.